Hey guys, welcome back to Belky's Twist. Today I am really excited to make for you white bean salad. Now this is a staple in our home for many reasons. One, it's a very quick make ahead. It's a wonderful side. It can be a wonderful lunch. I just love it. It just saves a lot of time for me. And of course my husband loves it too. So I want you to learn how to make it. Let's do this. Easy, right? 1, 2, 3. You cut up the ingredients, you put it all together, and there you go. You have your white bean salad, and you can have it as a side, have it for lunch, whatever you please. So if you make it, let me know down in the comments, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye. So good.